Hi, it's Isaac here, and I'm with another great review about Done For You services system. This review will help you to know all the information that you will need. You are at the right place to know all the end-to-end details of this Done For You services system. Let's begin. What is Done For You services system by Ariella? Ariella and Wesley version Done For You services system is a package of new affiliate marketing training. Even I felt weird hearing this, but trust me, this works magic. The Done For You services system package gives you all the required tools, which are working wonders. My Done For You services system review will give you the details of the package and also to the people for whom it suits better. By Done For You services system, you can make money by promoting the clickback products using Facebook advertisement. We know very well that Facebook has billions of users all over the world. As one of the course picture, the premium affiliate marketing training and Done For You system. Why should you enroll in Done For You services system training? The main thing which made me enroll in Done For You services system is it provides the landing page and lookalike audience, which is the biggest part, and also guides with the step to be followed. It helped me to set my Facebook business account and Facebook pixel to monitor the results. I did not get any complication while doing this, which made me still more interesting to do. A landing page ready directly. I was provided with the landing page, which the other training program do not do. Other program will teach you to come with a good copywriter technique, but this Done For You services system skips all that and gives you the required format. I did not have to worry about any guesswork, and there was no risk of making no sales. Lookalike audience. This lookalike audience is the most beneficial one that you will receive from this Done For You services system. The campaign advertisement that you run will be more specific to target buyers. You don't need an email list. Other Facebook marketing programs will teach you how to generate leads. That is good, but it makes more complicated jobs to do. But Done For You services system does not teach you to lead generation and email marketing because it is completely based on making a profit by targeting the right audience on Facebook. Only specific products to specified audience. Done For You services system will help you promote every specific products to the audience who are particularly interested in some of the most influential entrepreneurs. This means my campaign will be designed to mitigate risk and maximize the number of sales. Let's look who is behind Done For You services system program. Well, Wesley Virgin and Ariella Lorio's Done For You services system is an all-new online system that has been gathering a lot of buzz for the past couple of days. Every internet marketer has been recommending this system to people via their daily mailing lists. Additionally, you might have seen this system promotion as well. If you here searching for a comprehensive and unbiased review, let's take a brief look at what it's offer. Here's the pros and the cons of Done For You services system training. It's about Facebook ad campaigns, one of the most effective affiliate marketing methods. Tools and lists of potential buyers are provided. No technical skills required. Closed Facebook group for full support, and you have 60 days money back guarantee. Here are the cons. You need to invest money in ad campaigns, initially a few $100 at least to begin with. You must be willing to learn. It's not all done for you. It's about Facebook ad campaigns, one of the most effective affiliate marketing methods. Who should try Done For You services system course? People who look for an all done for you online marketing product would often expect it to provide absolutely everything and expect money to come in without giving any effort themselves. partly to blame on scam products, but they claim that all you need is a few clicks, profit within 24 hours, etc. Is done for you service, is it for you? This program is not for everyone. It is for you if you are new to affiliate marketing and you need a helping hand to get started fast, have been trying on your own without success, a busy person, but you need to make some extra passive income on the side to help you finally quit your job. In tight financial situation and want to start earning quickly while you are learning the ropes. This I recommend it. Make sure that you empower yourself so that one day you can also create training to help others. Here are the bonuses you get when you sign up. Bonus number one, affiliate marketing basics. Bonus two, the fundamental of Facebook marketing. Three, everything you need to know about business reporting. Four, all you need to know about verifying an ad that has the potential. Bonus five, the advanced marketing techniques. Bonus six, the basics of manual bidding and advanced manual bidding strategies. Done for you final thoughts. If you have been struggling to earn income online and eager to earn that first dollar, you may want to read further. Today I review a done for you service system developed by Ariella Iorio, an emerging affiliate marketing success thanks to the well-known highly successful internet marketer and motivational Wesley Virgin. In short, Ariella is a protege of Wesley Virgin, and she is fairly new in affiliate marketing, but she became successful in a short time. She said to have made $1 million in 5 months. Impressive, I must say. And now she is partnered with Wesley to create a done for you service which you can pay for and fast track your earnings. Thank you guys for watching. I wish you much success in your effort to make money online. Stay motivated. Much love. Please like and share and click on the link below to get started. Cheers.